Hey guys and girls, my name's Dan and welcome back to The Forge. In this episode of Trust Me, I'm a Blacksmith. We made it to 1000. Yeah, so apparently you guys like watching my videos and enjoy watching them enough to subscribe. So thank you if you have subscribed, and I hope you enjoy this next video. In this video I'm going to do another milestone challenge. We got to 500 subscribers. I made a hammer out of 5 kilos of steel, about 10 pounds. And now this episode, I'm going to make an anchor out of 10 kilos of steel. So what's going to happen every time I get to a milestone, so the next one will be 2000, and the one after that will be so on and so forth until, you know, it gets too big to do probably. But I've got some secret little plans for some real big stuff. Yeah, so basically this video I'm going to make an anchor, and I decided to do the intro outside on this lovely sunny day, on the farm where my workshop is. So I just thought you could get some agricultural equipment and some fields. So yeah, let's make this anchor. So same principle as before with the sledgehammer. I cut 270mm off, which is about 5 kilos. 270mm in millimeters is 10.5. In imperials, 10.5 inches. And this is 55mm round, which makes it about 2 inches and an eighth. 2 inches and an eighth? Yeah, 2 inches and an eighth. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw this square first and work out how long it is, and then from there I can decide on where bits are going to go, because I've got to put a tenon on here, and then I've got to draw this out and punch 2 holes in it, and then we're going to make that piece there. So yeah, let's get on with it. you're one of my 1,000 subscribers, thank you. And this one's for you. Cheers. Right. Yum yum. If you're one of my 1,000 subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. Unfortunately, I'm going to have to do a two-parter on this one. It's taken a bit longer than I thought, and I want this to be really good. But that's the first part of the anchor. This is the upright bit. So there'll be a shackle on here, I hope. And there'll be a bar in here. Next episode, I'm definitely going to get the this bit on here finished and get the bar in. So that's definitely going to happen next episode. But yeah, really happy with how it's come out so far. Trying really hard to get it looking super dapper. It's 5 kilos, is a lot of steel. So I hope you don't mind that it's in 2 pieces, guys. I hope you don't think that's kind of a bit of a cop-out. I'm going to have to rivet them together at some point. Yeah, we'll see how we go there. But I'd love to know what you guys think in the comments, and it's Saturday today. I'm not going to be able to get out to the workshop tomorrow, but I am on Monday, but I will be here Tuesday. So first thing Tuesday morning, I'm going to get the rest of this bad boy made and then try and get the video up subsequently ASAP after that, so you guys get to see the finished anchor. So that's cool. In the next video, I will tell you guys about whatever celebratory thingies we're going to do over on the website and the Patreon or whatever. If you are interested in helping supporting the channel, some more cool stuff like this, and you want to find out how to get your hands on one of these very, very sexy, very lovely, limited edition Patreon key rings, you can only get these if you're a Patreon member of a certain level. If you'd like to find out how to get your hands on one of these, this one's mine. This is the only one that exists that won't be going to a Patreon. If you want to find out how to get your hands on one of those, you need to go to my Patreon page, and there'll be some pictures of all this stuff up there, and you can see early access videos, and you can find out how much you need to pledge to get your hands on one of those. There's loads of goodies, there's loads of amazing stuff over there if you want to check it out. I will be revealing all the merchandise that is here and ready and finished in the next video. You may have seen the cup and stuff like that. And also we will be putting a vote on to see what item we'll be making at 20,000, so you guys can look forward to that. I'm going to give you guys a couple of ideas and we can have a vote on that. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I've got 1,000 subscribers and they're amazing. Why can't you be one of those amazing subscribers? Ring that bell for notifications, because it tells you when I make a video, and I make videos as often as possible. I try and make 3 videos a week, all sorts of varying stuff, bits of vloggy stuff and all that. Go over to my channel, there's loads of houses to make. There's me making a bloody huge sledgehammer, which I need to put a handle on, but handles will be like next week. And there's all sorts of stuff over there, so go over to my channel, chuck some comments down below, because I'd love to hear what you thought and all the ideas, and comment on all the stuff that I talked about in this video. And then I will chuck a video up here for the 500 subscriber challenge, and I'll chuck a random one down here for you guys to watch. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you later. Bye bye. 1,000 subscribers. You guys are amazing.